Step-by-Step Kids TV.
What holds calm water like a springy film? Water molecules attract each other at the surface. That pull makes surface tension like a taut film, not real skin or a layer. An adult pours a thin layer on a bright plate. Fine black pepper floats and marks the surface. Water molecules attract each other. Dish liquid lowers tension at the center. That difference moves the surface outward. Pepper rides with the water to the rim. A clean swab gently touches the center. The pepper makes no sudden sweep away. A second swab bears one small drop of liquid. One touch, the pepper glides toward the rim. Does the liquid scare the pepper? No! Moving water carries it along. What does the drop change at the center? It lowers surface tension where it touches. Where does the pepper go? It rides with the water to the rim. Water molecules attract each other. Dish liquid lowers tension at the center. That difference moves the surface outward. Pepper rides with the water to the rim. Not magic. A tension difference moves the